Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Mulk Raj Anand completed his doctoral studies at A. University of Cambridge, B. University of Oxford, C. University of London, D. University of Edinburgh. The right answer is option B. Mulk Raj Anand earned his PhD in philosophy from the University of Oxford after studying at University College London and Oxford. Next question. Which philosopher had a significant influence on Mulk Raj Anand during his years in England? A. Friedrich Nietzsche, B. Bertrand Russell, C. Karl Popper, D. Jean-Paul Sartre. The right answer is option B. Bertrand Russell greatly influenced Anand's humanistic and liberal outlook during his stay in England. Next question. Which novel by Mulk Raj Anand primarily depicts the conflict between traditional artisans and industrialization? A. The Road, B. The Big Heart, C. The Village, D. Coolie. The right answer is option B. The Big Heart, 1945, portrays the conflict between traditional coppersmiths and mechanized industry. Next question. The protagonist of The Big Heart is A. Bakha, B. Munu, C. Ananta, D. Lal Singh. The right answer is option C. Ananta is the central character who attempts to reconcile labor and industrial progress. Next question. Which of the following novels is set primarily in the city of Bombay, Mumbai? A. The Village, B. Untouchable, C. Coolie, D. Across the Black Waters. The right answer is option C. A significant part of Coolie is set in Bombay, where Munu works in a cotton mill before contracting tuberculosis. Next question. Which of the following publication years is correctly matched? A. The Big Heart 1942, B. The Road 1961, C. Morning Face 1953, D. The Village 1940. The right answer is option B. The Road was published in 1961. Next question. Which novel examines the decline of Indian princely rule after independence? A. The Sword and the Sickle, B. The Road, C. The Private Life of an Indian Prince, D. Seven Summers. The right answer is option C. The Private Life of an Indian Prince, 1953, portrays the moral and political decline of a princely ruler after independence. Next question. Assertion. A. Mulk Raj Anand's fiction is often called proletarian literature. Reason. R. His novels focus on workers, peasants, and marginalized communities. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is option A. Anand's concern for laborers and the oppressed justifies the description of his fiction as proletarian literature. Next question. Which of the following is not an autobiographical work by Mulk Raj Anand? A. Seven Summers, B. Morning Face, C. Confession of a Lover, D. Coolie. The right answer is option D. Coolie is a social novel, whereas the other three belong to Anand's autobiographical series. Next question. The protagonist of The Road belongs to which marginalized community? A. Zamindars, B. Untouchables, C. Merchants, D. Soldiers. The right answer is option B. The Road focuses on the struggles of Dalits and exposes caste discrimination in rural India. Next question. Which of the following themes dominates the private life of an Indian prince? A. Child labor, B. Partition violence, C. Political decay and personal moral collapse, D. Industrial conflict. The right answer is option C. The novel examines the decline of princely authority alongside the prince's personal disintegration. Next question. Which one of the following books was published first? A. Seven Summers, B. The Big Heart, C. The Road, D. Morning Face. The right answer is option B. The Big Heart was published in 1945, earlier than the others. Next question. Which publication is associated with Mulk Raj Anand as its founder editor? A. Quest, B. Marg, C. Indian Literature, D. The Illustrated Weekly of India. The right answer is option B. Mulk Raj Anand founded Marg in 1946, an influential journal on Indian art, architecture, and culture. Next question. Which statement is incorrect? A. Morning Face is autobiographical, B. Seven Summers is the first volume of Anand's autobiographical sequence. C. Coolie is narrated through the life of Bakha, D. The Big Heart deals with industrial labor. The right answer is option C. Coolie is narrated through the life of Munu, while Bakha is the protagonist of Untouchable. Next question. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. Seven Summers, 1951, B. The Road, 1953, C. The Big Heart, 1939, D. Morning Face, 1976. The right answer is option A. Seven Summers was published in 1951. Next question. Which social issue forms the central concern of The Road? A. Gender discrimination, B. Religious conversion, C. Caste oppression in public spaces, D. Colonial education. The right answer is option C. The novel highlights the denial of dignity and equal access to public roads for Dalits, exposing entrenched caste discrimination. Next question. Which of the following novels was published immediately after The Sword and the Sickle, 1942? A. The Big Heart, B. Seven Summers, C. The Road, D. Morning Face. The right answer is option A. The Big Heart was published in 1945. Next question. Which literary quality best defines Mulk Raj Anand's narrative technique? A. Allegorical abstraction, B. Psychological symbolism, C. Humanistic realism with social protest, D. Gothic romance. Write down the correct answer below in the comment box. Go through the details given in short.